my channel. What you're gonna see today is something I recorded back in October. So this was meant for Halloween. This is a makeup look, however, it's not a Halloween thing precisely. That's just something I wanted to do for my Halloween weekend thing, and then I ended up not posting anything for Halloween this year. I just didn't have time to edit, so I'm doing it now that I have more time on my hands with the freaking quarantine. Hello, quarantine team. So this also explains why there are spiders in the background, but once you've gotten used to them, I mean, what are just a couple of spiders? So I wanted to do this series for a very long time, it being tarot inspired makeup looks, and it starts today. Yay! I'm so sorry for looking away all the time. I did have notes and I did read them, and I do look like I'm giving an oral presentation in high school. I'm so sorry for looking stupid. Since it was supposed to be for a Halloween, I chose to start off with the Magician card. Why the Magician? It could have been Death for Halloween, could have been the Hangman. Nah, apparently I chose the Magician. That's me. Halloween, I think witches, I think the Magician. That's me. That's all I think about. Witches. But no, it's also because the Magician is the first major arcana card. So I did 1 and 1, 1 plus 1, 2, quick math. So it doesn't mean I'll do them all in order if I do this as a series, if you guys like it. But you know, I felt pretty inspired at the time by this card as well. Just before we jump into it, I'll give a little bit of information on the card itself, just to, I guess, explain a few artistic choices I made for the makeup look. If you want to skip ahead and just watch the makeup, do that. On the more traditional cards, he holds the tools representing the 4 elements. The card itself is of the element of air, but since it's a card about manifestation, power, and creativity, it makes sense that he holds all the tools to deal with all that. This card is ruled by the planet Mercury. Don't we love it when she goes in retrograde? And when all of our technology crashes, don't we love it? For those who are more familiar with the Greek mythology, Mercury is Hermes' little wing shoes. Yes, that wee cute messenger. Hence why this card also has to do with communication. I mean, wouldn't you love to have a little chit chat with this man? Or this one? Now, apparently Mercury is associated with the color green, but I didn't use any. Also, I think only had 1 shade of green. It was very dark and we could barely tell it was green, so again, it is inspired, not 100% accurate. So most cards show the Magician with the infinity symbol over its head. Not these 2 gentlemen, but most of them. So the infinity symbol is there to symbolize the motion of energy and matter ever flowing. These are just a few aspects of the card that I got inspired by and that you'll be able to see in my makeup look, hopefully. Anyway, I'm still gonna explain it all to you, so don't worry. I don't know why you would worry, but just don't. Once again and forever, I am not a beauty guru. Although I'm getting better, I must say. I think I'm proud of myself. Like, I mean, look at this look. I was just doing this for fun, but if you like it, I mean, I'll do more because I want to try. I want to try. That's the moral of the story, kiddos. Try your best. I don't know who I'm trying to be right now. I also didn't have the bestest of makeup supplies to do this while I was traveling. I did my best and that's all we have to remember. Okay, enough excuses and of talking. It's Magician time. So I just started off with applying my own regular foundation. Wipey boo. And then I used this eyeliner that I really absolutely hated, but it ended up working good for me. So here's the infinity symbol that I'm drawing on my forehead. And I was trying to make it look a little crooked, a bit like branches of a tree. Here you can see me deal with the lighting. Great stuff. Now we're done with this bench. I used a pale brown and traced lines to look a little bit like branches, but also a little bit like veins. I was inspired by the autumn season, I guess, trees and stuff. Now using this sort of burgundy color, I will just fill in the places where there are no veins. So it's really a mix of branches and veins for, I guess, power. I don't know. It just feels like the magician is really intelligent. So intelligent that his veins burst out of his forehead. Yes, yes. Here we can see I was a little confused and distracted about something. So using black eyeshadow, I filled in my eyebrows and then did a little twist at the end of it. So I decided to do a deconstructed Mercury symbol, and this little twist there is meant to be the horns type of thing. You do that on both sides and then heavy breathe like a mouse. And then I try to make my eyebrows look, I don't know if Einstein's brows look like this, but so I just try to make them a little bit messy, as if I spent 3 hours in a lab or something. Boom, eyeshadow on the lid. It was this little rose gold color that I applied on my lid. And then I went in with a red. I just applied it on the outer corner of my eye. I actually applied it everywhere. And a little bit in the corner down there, and dipping in the burgundy. I did the little low line and went further down near my cheek. And then I managed to do some kind of eyeliner line. So I dip it a little bit in water just so it comes out a little bit more vibrant. And then applied more in the inner corner. Now that little dot, I tried real hard to make it a circle, is meant to be the head of the Mercury symbol, and I was very happy about it, apparently. Now that line that I tried again real hard to make straight, and then absolutely worked. As you can see, that line is meant to be the straight line that kind of looks like arms in the Mercury symbol. So I just went in with eyeshadow to be a little bit less messy, and then applied eyeliner on top of it. Like a champ. Like a real champ. For the lips, I didn't have any lipstick that matched the color on my eyes, so I applied the burgundy color of eyeshadow, yeah, I know it's gross, on my lips first. And then went in with this L'Oreal lipstick, sort of a sparkly orange. I was just fixing a few things more with the burgundy color. I don't even know if it's burgundy. And now with the eyeliner again, I did a straight vertical line to finish off the Mercury symbol down on my chin. Add it again with the veins slash branches things, but down on my face, a little bit everywhere. And I touched up the infinity symbol again to make it look a little bit gross. Just crooked, like it's made with branches. And then with a darker brown eyeshadow, I filled it in the middle. And then I used this mascara that I absolutely liked, as you can see, so I didn't care to present it to you. It was the Annabelle one. Always had it all over my face. And then I put eyeshadow on my finger and then dab 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 on my forehead. The magician is a messy boy. On my fingers, I did some little tattoos of the 4 elements. And so the magician was born. Well, there you have it. This was my look for the Magician card in the tarot deck. I hope you all enjoyed it and let me know what you thought of it. If you thought I was like 100% off and that it has nothing to do with the card, which is possible, to be fair. Let me know down in the comments if you thought it was original and cute or gross. I don't know. I want to know what you guys thought. I want to know. And I want to know too if you would like me to do another one of these. I had a lot of fun while doing this one. And there are plenty of major arcanas to pick from. So I'm curious. Let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's always a plus. That's always a must. It always makes me happy and somehow always makes me sing. I don't know. Wait, this is weird. Leave a like and follow me on all my social medias. I will see you all very soon, hopefully. I love you. Stay safe. Goodbye. Give this channel a chance, please. Oh, subscribe the day away. Subscribe, it'll make me happy. And maybe you too. Not the Irish band, I'm talking about you. Yeah, you, yeah, you, yeah, you. Even when my voice cracks, I'm looking for more rhymes. But baby, wouldn't you like to subscribe? We could be happy together, our tribe. Ooh. Yeah, together, our tribe. I'm gonna own it. You are my tribe. And subscribe and like and give me a comment so I'm a bit less lonely in this quarantine. Oh, sad times. No social interaction. I actually don't hate it this much, but it's always better with friends. I love you. Stay safe. Goodbye.